Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a step-by-step makeup tutorials for beginners just like me, and I am not that pro in makeup but I thought कि मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियोस फिल्म कर ली हैं और अब ये एक करेक्ट टाइम है इस वीडियो को फिल्म करने का. So I have my makeup pouch in here and you know all of the stuff that I have. If you haven't watched my what's in my makeup bag video, go watch it right now and I'll place the card somewhere here. And yeah, let's get started. So first up I start with the primer and I use this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and I have already moisturized my skin, and I'll take 2 pumps of it like this and warm it up on my fingers because primer is a very important step in your day to day makeup. इससे आपका मेकअप बहुत देर तक स्टे करता है. एंड आई एम श्योर कि आप लोगों ने मेरे पहले के मेकअप वीडियोस देखे होंगे एंड उसमें मैंने सब कुछ बताया हुआ है. सो दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टेप बाय स्टेप रूटीन which you guys should follow and which I also follow. So I am done with primer and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead with this Garnier BB cream and I'll just take 2 pumps of it on my hand like this and just in a dotted way I'll apply it under my eyes like this.
This BB cream has vitamin C plus almond extracts which are specially designed for Indian skin tone and suitable for all skin types. The BB cream instantly beautifies your skin. It instantly spreads evenly for a flawless finish.
I applied this on my face and with this beauty sponge I'm gonna just dab it around like this. Some people what do is ghasito it like this, but this is not the way it should be done. It should be dabbed around like this. Guys, now as I am done with applying the BB cream, I'll be using this Maybelline ka Master Contour palette, which comprises of the contour, blush and the highlighter. So with this beauty sponge only I'm gonna dab it around my cheekbone, and you have to smile before applying it. The best thing about this palette is कि I like its pigmentation. That is the best thing. You have to just dab it around your cheeks so that कि वो जो pink shade है that comes upon very nicely. Apply a little bit on your nose and just like this. I think blush makes you look even more fresher if you do not do a step-by-step makeup routine, and this is what I do and this is my beginner's makeup look. Kyunki I am, as I have told in the starting of this video, I am not that pro in makeup. So I am done with blush and the lighting is really bad, but I know that it would come very subtle. So done with blush. I'm done with blush. Now I'll apply my kajal. This is the Lakme Iconic Kajal and I don't know कि मैंने काजल लास्ट कब लगाया होगा. I really love applying kajal. It literally defines my eyes. I really want to try a white kajal also, and because white काजल से क्या होता है ना, आपकी आंखें जितनी भी छोटी हों but it literally magnifies the size of your eyes. Now I'm gonna go with some powder and I use this Lakme ka Radiance Compact for it. And guys, I really want to try Maybelline वाला Fit Me range, but पता नहीं क्यों I cannot try it.
This compact gives the ultimate smooth finish and an even matte look.
And with compact, and now I'm gonna let it sit क्योंकि this procedure is called baking, I think. So now I'm gonna go with some eyeshadow, and as I do not use the contour one, I use it upon my eyelids.
Ordered some eyeshadow palettes, and my birthday is also coming, so I think I'm gonna use them on my birthday. And I'm gonna be freaking 20 because it's scary. I do not want to grow old.
No, in the mirror it always looks really fine, but in the camera it looks really scary. But I think यहाँ पे BB क्रीम लगाए and हम तो भूल ही गए. So now with this big brush I'm gonna powder my neck. Because neck is important. I do not use a concealer, because I do not have dark circles or acne marks so much prominent कि concealer लगाने की ज़रूरत पड़े. नहीं तो I totally suggest LA Girl concealers that are wonderful. I've seen a lot of influencers using them. Literally, I saw Malvika Sitlani and Ashna Hegde using them, and I really like it. I like its total consistency. I'm gonna bronze up my sides of the foreheads. So now I'm gonna go with mascara, and I use this. This is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is the best invention in mascaras, and I totally like it. The formulation and the texture is really nice, and if you are a beginner like me, then you should really invest in this mascara because it is really nice. I just swing it around my eyelashes 2-3 times, and then I'm all done.
It is a waterproof mascara up to 7 times more volume instantly in just one coat. No clumps, colossal brush and collagen enriched formula.
Done with mascara. So now I'm gonna use the highlighter from this palette only, and pehle I used to love highlighters, but now I literally love blushes. Highlighter का सीन ऐसा है कि you apply it here on the chin, on the upper lip, the front of your nose or the bridge of your nose, the cheekbone, your upper eye bone, and the inner corner of your eyes. So I am done with highlighter, and I can see a glow here. I totally love when the highlighter actually glows. When I do not have a proper lighting, तो इसलिए इतना नहीं दिखता, मगर if you see it very closely in the mirror, then you'll be able to actually see it. So now I'll fix my makeup using this Wet n Wild natural fixer, and now I'm gonna use it. literally doing it with my hands. Done applying the makeup fixer also. Now I'm going to go with the last step, that is lipstick, and I use this one. This is the Maybelline New York lipstick, and Maybelline lipstick is what I love. I love only two brands ka lipstick, that is Nykaa and Maybelline, and you guys have seen me apply this a gazillion times. So yeah. This is such a nude color. I totally love it. Guys, this is my final makeup look and I totally like it because of how minimal, subtle and nude it is, because of the lip color and everything. So I think I'll end this video here and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, so do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos really very soon. Bye.